Let's check the audio, should be fine. Hey Nivitus, welcome man, welcome. Thanks for joining. First one I think. How are you? Let me know if you cannot hear me. I think it should be fine. Awesome man, awesome. Yeah, I'm pretty good, pretty good. Just finish up work and some calls here for this evening. Just want to do like a live stream and have some fun for some time. So I'm pretty good. Hey man, welcome to the stream. Just pull this up here and then I'll take the chat on my phone. But yeah, feel free to ask me anything. Just gonna sit here, chill some time, and hey Tala man, nice to see you. Nice to see you here too. How are you? Hope you guys are doing great. Let's see how many is going to join. It's just to have some fun and chill. If you guys have any questions, like just throw them all to me. I'm more than happy to answer anything. Just have a good time. Wait, where are you guys based? I think it's pretty late to the right side of me. Hey Akbar, how are you? Welcome. Just check on. I'll probably figure out how I can stream on X or something like that as well. I'm not sure if YouTube is the best platform. I should start a Twitch channel or X. I think X should be pretty good. I just have the chat down here on my phone. Thank you. Enjoy your game, man. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Just sitting here chilling a bit. Besides, I will ask you some questions. Yeah, for sure. Do that. Whatever questions you have, just throw them. Might be helpful for other people as well. Just killing some bot and answering some questions. See how many is going to join. I think it's pretty late from India and Asian regions, pretty much in the middle of the night. I'm in Dubai right now, so it's 10:30. But I think Europe and US should be fine on that side. Are you familiar with hyperspectral imaging? If you could make some tutorials regarding that. Yeah, so I'm actually familiar with it. I don't have a hyperspectral camera. They're pretty expensive and mainly used in industrial settings. So it's not that easy to just hook up to a computer. But yeah, if I maybe have some data, like, do you have any data that I can use? I can probably create some videos about it. Should probably create some like theoretical videos as well, going over that. Maybe some basic analysis, how you can pull in information, what it can be used for, and so on. Because it's pretty useful in industrial settings. You can use that for a lot. Get structure and different materials and stuff like that, which you can't really get from a normal camera. Yeah, that will be cool, man. Is it public? Can you send like a link, or if you have a dataset, throw it over to me on email? I think my email should be in the about me section on YouTube here. Then I'll definitely take a look at it and see what I can come up with. Might be pretty nice to cover. I think a search for hyperspectral imaging on YouTube, and I don't really think there's any tutorials out there. Only like theoretical product explanations. It's not public, but I can send my own data. Yeah, so send over whatever data I can use. So of course I should be able to use it on YouTube to be able to to create a video. But if it's your own data, it's kind of like up to yourself. But yeah, but nice if I can get some data that I can share on my YouTube and create some videos around. I have a question. As a computer vision engineer with a solid grasp of the basic, how can I continue to improve and develop advanced skills in computer vision and AI? So the direction it's going in right now, like try to see if you can. Recently there just came some models out for vision language models. See if you can fine tune that, like how you can combine that with the multi-model modalities. Depends on like what you mean with advanced, but always like 3D vision. How you can get 3D information from images, both depth cameras. Could also be lidars. Post estimation. I'm going to create a new LinkedIn post tomorrow with a new model called Omni 60 post. You can take a look at that as well. So it's basically just going to do 60 post estimation from a single image, and it can do it on a video stream. So it's more like how can you actually like detect something? How can you extract information from the images that you can use in the real world? And often when we interact with the real world, we need the 3D data. But yeah, again, like object detection models, object tracking systems, and so on are pretty popular. So that's also a good way to do it. But I'm not sure like how complex or advanced that is. It is, and it's very useful, but it's not as hardcore as doing like 60 post estimation on lidar, something like that. Yeah, for sure, Akbar. Let me know if you can find my email. It should be in the about section on my YouTube, or you can find all my links in my descriptions on the videos as well. So I have my links for LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, email. Yeah, for sure, Nivitus. Try to see if I can find a game here in a second. I can still answer questions while I'm doing that. I don't have any audio on. No audio. Never know if it's too high on the stream now. I'll adjust it. What about project-based learning? How do you mean by project-based learning? Basically just learning by creating projects. Yeah, for sure, do that, and then document it, put it on GitHub, try to write some blog post or create some post around it. Document the process, what you're trying out, and stuff like that. It's really useful for you. Basically showing people. Also, if you want to get into job positions and so on, it's nice to talk about and show. Gives a lot more credibility. But yeah, you can create tons of different projects. I know that different tracking systems are very popular right now. Different sports tracking systems, but also just defect detection in any way. Combine it with vision models. It's cool to see some new guys joining every time on the live stream. Always some new guys asking questions in here, so that's very cool. Try to see if we can find a game before people go to bed. Oh, I think my camera fell down a bit. So we give a game soon. Shouldn't be too bad. It's only 10:30 here. What is the future of prompt engineering? Is that important in the field of AI? Yeah, for sure. So everything is pretty much going in that direction. Um, why does my cameras keep falling down? Yeah, so everything is pretty much we're going in the generative AI direction, both vision, multi-model models, modalities, vision, audio, text, everything is going together. Hey, hello Rohit, how are you, man? So yeah, prompt engineering is a very huge part of AI. Of course, there's still some very large models. So if you talk about computer vision, text models, it might more go in the direction of agents, so specialized agent performing specific tasks instead of like having these large GPT models, which basically just knows everything. They know a lot of redundant stuff, which is not really necessary, and they're expensive to run. So definitely going in the direction of more specialized agents. But all the things coming together, audio, text, video, everything is going to be based on prompt engineering. So at the end of the day, you might just be able to tell it to create a computer vision system to track this type of sports stuff. How to get binary images of label data with RoboFlow? Which format can I export? I'm not sure if. Let me just make sure I don't get a game in here. I'm not sure if you can export as binary image. I think if you do the semantics, they have a semantic segmentation project that you can use. Ashutosh, man, hello, man, all good. Thank you. Hope you're doing well. I'm not sure if you can get a binary image. Why would you get a binary image? You'll probably just have like semantic segmentation and you have a 0 value for the background and a 1 for if you have one class. But if you have multiple classes, you will just have another value for those. Um, Let me know if you have any specific use case where you need a binary image. I'm a website developer, so I can increase my value by learning AI plus website. So I guess that depends. Like you can use it like if you're coding websites, you can of course use ChatGPT to write a lot of examples. You might even be able to You might even be able to take screenshots of the websites, throw it into the ChatGPT, and ask it if it has any suggestions and so on. So it might more be in that direction, but also just helping you write code if you have specific functionality or some UI elements that you want to get the ground structure from. You can use AI for that. It's just all about like making yourself more productive and iterate faster. That's kind of like how you're using these AI models now to make yourself more efficient. I pretty much use it all the time, both GitHub Copilot. Definitely take a look at that as well if you're not using that already. So GitHub Copilot and ChatGPT, those are two main tools that I'm working with. Let me see. Oh, a lot of questions are coming in now. Let me just go into the game again and pull the chat up on my phone. Just cancel this and just go into standard competitive. Else will just take ages. Dev Andres, man. Hey man, how are you doing? Let me just. Hey bro, I'm using CV for security. You know where I can find a computer power. What's the best provider with my own model? I'm just trying to see if I understand the question correctly. Are you asking the compute power needed for security system and so on, provided my own model, so how you can deploy your own model and run that on specific hardware, or what's your question? Can you just specify that? Akbar, you want to apply to other programming languages like MATLAB. I export data to different formats, but I couldn't find binary of annotated images. Yeah, but if you just have a binary image, you just have 0 or 1, so you lose a lot of information in there. So you could normalize it if you mean just scaling all your values to between 0 and 1. But I think MATLAB and all the other programming languages should be able to read any image format as well. Do you want to create your own bot for CS2 using computer vision tools? Yeah, I was actually I was thinking about that back in the CS:GO 2 days. CS:GO days. Now it's CS2. It should be okay. It should be okay easy. It should be okay easy to train, like just to take a YOLO model and have like a headshot detector and then just use that. But you have to. I think it's pretty slow to take screen dumps. Like you can just have Python take a screenshot of your monitor and then you can feed that into the model and then you pretty much have a system. I'm not sure how easy it would be to pull the mouse information so you know like where that is. But yeah, it would be a pretty cool project. Should probably do that. You could just take the screenshots of the in-game and then just have like a face detector without really having any controls. Hey Nahib. Hey Nebula, thanks for all the tutorials and content that you put on YouTube regarding computer vision. I tried YOLO V9 tutorial for custom detection, but I'm getting bad results. The original models are performing better than the custom model for detecting potted plants. I don't know how to improve the model even though I'm using a custom dataset with my own annotation. So how many images do you have? That's the first thing. And are you using any types of augmentation? How long are you training it for? Should be better. Should be much better. But you definitely need like a few hundred images. And it depends on the potted plant as well. Are you using RoboFlow? Then you can just choose the data augmentation directly. That will also help it a lot. And what's the metrics after training? So the mean error precision and also the precisional loss. I will apply present with semantic segmentation. I think if you export with semantic in the segment semantic segmentation dataset or project in RoboFlow, I think they export it as PNG with binary image, so 0 and 1. Did you buy one of did you did you buy one of those 100 new clients or get 5k money back? Yeah, I got 5k back. Dev address, large scale DS deploying. So there's two ways to do that. So it depends on like if you want to run in real time. If you need to run in real time, you definitely need an edge device that you can run it on. Could be a Jetson Nano, local GPU. Often if you have a CCTV camera, you will just have an IP. It's just an IP camera. So you take the RTPS stream that to some server that you have locally, and then it's going to process the images, and it will be pretty close to. It would act like be real time depending on the GPU they have. So I think that's the main one that you will that you go for. If you don't need real time processing, you can also go for cloud deployments. So if you're not familiar with Hugging Face, you can probably test that out. So Hugging Face is really easy to deploy models to, and then you just get an endpoint that you can send a request to with your image, and you get the response back with the results. But it won't run real time. It introduces a lot of latency when you need to send the image to the cloud and back again. I have around 250 images, but doesn't use any data augmentation. Sounds weird. Sounds weird. It should. I haven't seen the data set. Are you using the object detection or so? Yeah, I guess so. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm not getting any games. Let's try to see if we can get a wingman then. It's weird. But yeah, 250 images should be more than fine. Have you tested out YOLO V9 as well? Just or YOLO V8 just for the sake of trying it out? It sounds weird. So you're asking what do you do in your current job? So I work on a lot of customer projects. So I create like the ground structure, some POC for different customers in the industrial sector. Work on some internal projects as well. Can't really go too much into specific, but mainly computer vision, some large language models, combining it, building systems around AI models, helping that to basically just combine all data, combine time series data, vision data, and all of that. Use 100 epochs, 8 workers, yeah, that should be fine. Batch size of 4. Not sure if you can bump it up to batch size of 8, but should be fine with 4 as well. What image resolution are you using? Probably just 640. But definitely try out YOLO V8 as well, just for testing it out. It sounds weird. Sounds very weird. But it depends on the plans that you have. That should not be a problem. getting any games, man. No one is playing. No one is playing. Can I give you my dataset for testing? I don't really have time for that. But if you have it on RoboFlow, you can just throw a link here. I can take a look at the dataset, but I can't really train any models, fortunately. I'd love to be able to help all you people, but probably take some time to just spin up the notebook and so on. But if you have it on RoboFlow, you should just be able to pull give me the RoboFlow link. It's nice with all the questions, man. I like barely can catch up with him. Just throw them in, throw them my direction. I'll get back to all of them. I'm not sure if you can post any links in the chat here. Give me game. Why is it taking so long? It's not even that late. Hey, who's name, man? Oh, it's already 4 a.m. Akbar. Where are you based? I think. Oh, you should be all the way over in Asia. So we're somewhere then. I'll contact you regarding hyperspectral imaging. Yeah, for sure. Thank you for your efforts and tutorials. Yeah, man, cool. It's my pleasure. Appreciate it. Wow, I'm not getting any games. Can you change like let me just while it's queuing here, let me see if I can change my League of Legends then. I'm not sure if you can change South Korea. So it's pretty late. Let me see if I can change region here. I refuse to play on 150 ping. Oh, I think I got a game there. Finally. Finally got a game. 3 years ago, who were your role models? What about today? I think it's the same. I think it's the same. I'm a pretty big fan of both Andre Karpathy and Elon Musk. I think those were my role models back in the days, like 3 years ago. And Andre Gapathy he's a cool guy. He's doing a lot for teaching and education and a lot of cool research. Okay, I don't have any audio. No audio. No audio. Let me know if it's too loud, the audio. Oh. Hey, finally I could zoom into your stream, man. Yeah, welcome, welcome. Yeah, I think I've seen you a couple of times, right? But you probably had to leave early one of the streams. Welcome, man. Fuck. I'm a bit scared. I only have 16 HP. Let me know if the volume's too high. I have to turn it up. I can't hear anything. Love your content. Wondering what you're doing in job. Yes, I like just answered that question a couple of minutes ago before you joined. But work with a lot of vision stuff. Work with doing POCs, working together with customers to come up with computer vision solutions and use cases. Also work on some internal projects. So I'm mainly doing research. If we have some new things that we had to take a look at, build the ground structure and help out with those parts. Oh, I almost killed him. Oh, I should have killed him. I instinct him. So I can't really go too much into details with the specific projects, but mainly research and working together with customers to create computer vision solutions. Oh, we saw him toilet. What is that crosshair, man? It's not going to end well. It's not going to end well. No, 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 no. Let's buy a scout here from this. Ah, that's a weird crosshair. Might be a pretty tough game. No, no one's coming mid. We're just rushing 5 guys everywhere all the time. Just gonna lose 13-0. Stop, hide. Oh, a headshot on my screen. What's he doing lower? Hello? That's not too bad. Let's push mid here. Ah, should have insta killed him and just retreat. Oh, please win this one, guys. Vamos, 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 vamos. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, almost went wrong. Almost. Oh, we have one on the ground. It could only be B. Oh, loco. Oh, I don't need any drop. I'm just pushing mid every round. Bad idea. Where did he go? I dinged him. It just dings me 3 times with clock. No, 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 no. No, no, no. It's on logo. On logo, guys. Deal. Ah, bad idea. Don't jump like that. No, 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 no. While Python code consumes a gradual increase in system RAM for object detection application, I have 32 GB RAM will get consumed. I'm doing kind of now 15. Most likely because you're as something that is accumulating. Could be like a variable, or if you're storing the images, information. You could be doing some copies as well. Copies of the images here and there, so there might be a data leak somewhere. Because again, if you only load in a single image, do some processing, we're not really talking many megabytes, so gigabytes is definitely something you have it accumulating. Image variable list, probably a list with images. Even variables can't eat 32 gigs of RAM. Are you doing an image copy, storing the images to a list, appending? Or after processing it, just make sure to delete the variable, just to be 100% sure. You're also doing OCR, so you have like a detection model and an OCR. A memory leak somewhere from one of the models, or your own code. Yeah, but even though you have like, it doesn't really matter how many frames you have per minute or second. It should clean up the RAM after you should load in an image and then throw it out again after you have done the processing. So there's somewhere that you're appending something or making a copy. Why can't I hit those shots? Easy shots, I miss. Easy, easy shot, guys. Oh, I hit it. One more. Oh, one is close. Ah! One bullet, one dream. Oh, no, 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 no. Ah, at least I got two hits, it's fine. I missed some early one I should have hit. One logger. I'm gonna lose it. Oh, what a hit shit. They're false. They're false. Oh, it's just if you're appending stuff to a list, which is like a global variable that doesn't get deleted, or it doesn't free up the memory after going out of scope. So you just read about like general Python memory. But if your variables go out of scope, you should clean it up automatically. If you have some list that you want to clean up here and there, you can call like the delete del and then clean them manually. But if your code is fine, it should not be necessary. Unless you want to store the images and want to delete them at a specific time. on logo. I didn't really peek me, so just probably just a sprayed the smoke and prayed. It's getting cleaned on A, man. What? What? How did my third bullet not hit him? It was just insta headshot and then I full group. I whiffed and then I got smoked. It's just rust instead. It's better. That's my solution divided in two parts. Solution to detect vehicle in real time and store the crop bounding box image in temp folder. Yeah, but you're writing to disk then if you have a temp folder. Then you're writing to disk and it should be cleaned up anyway. Just make sure that you have it. Make sure you have it inside functions. If you have inside functions, it shouldn't be a problem. And if you how long does it take to fill out the memory? Like 32 gigs should take a long time, even if you're storing images on a list. Just getting killed right now. Hey Brandon, I have a project where the client sends a video CCTV to the server, turns a model, runs a model, then process the frame. I save the frames and show up in Streamlit so it seems real time with latency. Better way, please. Now, so that's pretty much the way that you will do it. If there's any latency, could be because of the internet, the bandwidth of the internet. Could also be because of the protocols. I'm not sure what protocol you're using. Oh, it takes more than 4 to 5 days. Then it could just be like, then it could just be variables. And you handle 10 streams. Make sure, like, I'm not sure how you're doing it. Do you have like any threading or anything? Like, there's definitely a memory leak somewhere, but it's definitely not images. It's not the images. If could be the cropped images then. Could be the cropped images then. But not the full images. So the crowd images or some variable, some dictionary, some list that you're appending results to that is just accumulating for days. But yeah, it's probably running RTPS stream from the CCTV cameras or something else, or just IP camera that introduces some latency, but should still be able to run in real time. Depending on how fast the model processes it, should also slow it down a bit. But if you assume that the bandwidth is good enough for the CCTV camera to the server, the model processes fast enough, then Streamlit will also add latency because then you spin up a server on that one as well, and you have to send images 2 times. But if you have good enough compute power and a good enough internet connection, should not be a problem. I don't even know why I buy Deagle in this one. It's pistol. I thought it was Eagle or. on loco. Let me just get something to drink here. The first solution runs in Deepstream. Oh yeah, so Deepstream should take care of all of it. The second solution is just a Python script in a single process to read all cropped images from template and do anything. So it doesn't sound like a lot of code, it just sounds like a small script, so yeah, it sounds weird. But it can only be an append or some accumulation somewhere. That's the only option. I think Deepstream should be cleaning it up fine. Are you storing videos or anything? Or are you cleaning the temp folder at some point? Are you reading from the temp folder? Could be that you're trying to like read in images from the temp folder. If you have like thousands of images that you're trying to read in to create a video file or something. Oh, I might die here. Oh fuck. I'm not playing good now. Not playing good. We need something to drink. Drink. Cheers. The team got me. The team got me. I cannot use Deepstream in second, as it does not support image-to-image reading. Yeah, I know that. So you have to convert it to like NumPy, and then write it to disk, and then you can read it in again. Yeah, I play around with that. But haven't experienced any memory issues. Just make sure that you clean the temporary folder. I had to read in like all the images from the temporary file to create a video file of the process stream once there's detections. I had some problems with that as well. Ah, I play so bad. I'm not even focused. I'm not even focused, guys. Focused. Okay, let's focus. Let's focus and win now. Might be too late. Let's go B. Let's go B. Assume you're using a Jetson Nano or something like that. There's JTop. I think you can pip install like Jetson Stats, Jetson Dash Stats. But there's also like just a private profiler that you can use directly. But I haven't really profiled stuff for multiple days. Normally I'm not really experiencing memory issues with computer vision models. Because we just process one frame at a time and then we don't really care about that frame any longer. Oh, I just saw him right there. Okay, they're just killing me. I'm getting smoked, guys. Smoke is... At least we got a good game here. Like, normally they're pretty bad. Now it's me that bad. Let's go for the next one. Let's hope for a better next one. It's normally my main map. Let's go. Let's go. Like these guys, they just see everything. I hit literally nothing, and then I run deep him. I'm running a server consists of NVIDIA i4, T4. Deepstream should be fine. Like I can't really imagine any issues with Deepstream. If you're just using their Python examples, there you might most likely are. Then it should be good. Oh, how long have I been muted? I think I'm muted when I... Oh, he just killed me. Oh, how long have I been muted for? Oh, my camera froze. I've been talking to you guys, man, for 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Just been on mute. Guess I've just been talking to myself. Oh, he just hits me like that. The hell? Peaceful fast one last question you're gonna hear. My camera frozen. It's overheating. And I haven't fixed the other one yet. I'll be going back to Denmark in 2 days. And I'll have another camera. Might be a spy webcam as well, just for streaming. I'm not sure about the deep streams. Like deep streams shouldn't have any problems. I think it was that question I answered. Deep streams shouldn't have any problems, but it can only be somewhere that something is accumulating. It could be a copy that you're doing that is not being cleaned up, but shouldn't be the case. Shouldn't be the case. It's hard to say without seeing the code. But you can just like if you crop the image for the OCR, just have it as a variable and then just call the DL and then the variable just to make 100% sure. So just clean up every single list manually. Then you'll at least on the we're the ones pushing and losing. I just graduated looking for jobs, but I really want to work on some real life problem statement as a project. Where can I get mentorship? Yeah, so actually, Gil, I'm not sure if you know that program, but I have like this AI career program where I help people build their career, personal brand, get their work out there. We have a nice community in there where people are helping each other out and so on. So definitely check it out if it's something that could be interesting. All the resources available in here, like even code structure, email templates. We have an app with the community, weekly live calls and so on. So yeah, definitely check that out if that might be something of interest to you. But that's basically like how to be able to do the mentorship, but also a ton of cool guys that you can network with and engage with, which is also just either studying or just graduated, looking for jobs and getting into freelance work with different templates, doing something on the sideline. It's not much you have to do to stand out and basically be over average. It's just doing something and knowing what to do. That's the most important thing, as you mentioned yourself now with mentorship. But yeah, it's good to have like project work, different problems that you have solved, put them out there. Again, it doesn't really matter how smart you are if no one knows who you are or can see what you have done. It just gives so much more credibility to actually show people that you have done something. I'm not contrary at all. Not at all. just lounging, laying back. We're just getting wrecked here. Oh, I didn't have enough money for Kevlar. M4 without Kevlar, that's cool. Okay. That's so stupid, man. Stupid, stupid. This guy's probably gonna win this round. He could be winning this round. No, no, no. But yeah, man, cool, cool. Congrats with the graduation. Graduation. It's cool. Well, it's not to get out and do some real stuff. Where are you based? These guys are just camping too much, too much. Yeah, for sure. So like the AI career pretty much just covers every single course. All my courses I have, all my email templates, my coding templates, even all my templates for my social media, both for bios and all of that. Oh, you're in San Francisco. That's cool. That's cool. Yeah, definitely check it out. I'm going to increase the price pretty soon because I'm launching an investment course as well. I just recorded that before, or like the last module before this stream. So it's at my editor now. It's going to come out end of this week. Then I'll increase the prices. So we both have the personal branding, AI career, all my technical courses. I have like 5, 6 now, and then we're going to have the investment course. So it's just going to be all in there, and it's a pretty nice community. Some pretty cool guys. There's even some PSD with math background. He's pretty hardcore. Some of them are even doing YouTube videos now as well. Oh, I forgot to buy Kevlar again. That's cool, man. A lot of stuff is happening in the Bay Area with tech. Been for the last 20 years. You're probably familiar with that. It's just like another feeling. Smoked. But yeah, the AI career is definitely like the best value right now because it all the courses pretty much it will win there, and also it's just one time, so all the other courses will be added in there over time. We have the weekly live calls. I think we're 15 people right now. It's been out for a couple of weeks. 15 people in there now, helping each other out. And I'm also available in there. Why don't you come in Bay? I'm in Dubai. I live in Dubai right now. I got some work down here. I actually like work for. Not sure if you're familiar with Symphony AI, but it's based in the Bay Area, Palo Alto. But yeah, I have a pretty good time down here. My dream have always been to come to the US, always, especially San Fran. But yeah, I ended up in Dubai last year. Might stay here for some time unless I get a very good opportunity in Bay. But I've definitely visited a lot of times in the Bay Area. It's cool. It's like another atmosphere. It's just tech all over. You just feel all the tech grind. Yeah, I even got offers from TikTok and Meta, but I didn't really want to move. I pretty much have everything down here now. I have a pretty good base, so it will be not a very huge commitment that I'll have to give up. And also because I have all the other on the sidelines, I have my YouTube courses, I have like coding agency and so on. So it's not too easy to just move. And also like a lot of companies like Meta, TikTok, and those guys can't really have anything on the sideline. That doesn't really make sense. The only company I'll probably move for would be Tesla or Neuralink, and just give up everything. Or not give up everything, but I also like to do videos, courses, all of that. So it gave me all the opportunities, all the possibilities. So I'm not going to give that up. Oh, you into your Neuralink and Meta? How did it go? How did it go? How's the process at Neuralink? I think it's just talking about like things you have worked on, your biggest contributions, what you have achieved. I like Neuralink and Tesla. I got an opportunity at Meta, but yeah. Are you from the US or just based in the US now? Oh yeah. I just saw that they're taking in applications for second patient now. I think they're doing a pretty good job and they're going to do good for humanity. It's going to help a lot of people, and it's just some cool tech. Like it's just a problem that you think that oh, you're from India and it'll came here from masters in data science. So how does it work after? So after you graduate, how's the visa process then? I guess the company will need to sponsor you, right, to be able to stay in US. Hey Ravi, how's your week so far? It's pretty good, pretty good. Just a lot of work. Yeah, so the offer that I got from Meta was more it was like on a contract based level, so 1 year. So I don't think there were any like coding interview process. But yeah, I hate the lead code problems. I hate them. I'm not gonna do any of those. Like it doesn't make any sense. Like I can just ask ChatGPT to solve a lead code problem. Like it's way more about the thought process and so on, and how you solve problems. But I guess that's the process with Tesla and Neuralink and those guys. Like they have a whole another hiring process. It's way more about like what you have done in the past, technical interviews, how you're thinking and doing problem solving. I like that way more. Yeah, so for you it's basically the same as if I had to move to US. So company has to sponsor me, but I guess you probably have an advantage by already being there. I think it's pretty complicated and it takes like a long time. So to come to Dubai, like I got my visa, I could just like you just set up a business, you can get your visa within a month, and then you're good to go. You could just sponsor yourself through your company. I think US like it takes several months and the whole process is just a show. Also, they actually like give you a project. Oh, They actually give you a project, okay. A week or two, that sounds like a long project, but yeah, again, they only want the guys being committed for the mission. So I guess that makes sense. Probably wouldn't do it because of the maybe. Like normally when we get like take home assignments, I also got an offer from Huck and Face. But I'm not doing take home assignments. Like I'm not gonna spend a day on that. I can do take home assignments every day then. Like I'm not interested in that. Like all my work is public available. Like no reason to do a take home assignment to show 4 hours of work. Just Google my name. Fuck. Do you know what type of project it is? Oh yeah, I guess you do since you did it. Or you can't share that. Probably not. But I guess like for a lot of the US companies, like the big guys, Meta, Tesla, and those guys, I think it's the easiest way is probably like an internship and then getting in through that. At least that was that. It seems like that. But I have not really. I've always wanted to work for those guys, but now when I get offers, I don't, because it's just going to be like too much of a sacrifice, and I'm pretty happy with my position now. No, the all-in bundle only the courses now, and then it will also be increased over time. The all-in bundle. So I think that the best value is definitely the AI program. Not because it's the most expensive, but every new resource is going to be added. And again, like the whole community is the community and mentorship. I'm also like there's chat, there's the app and so on, so you can ask me whatever questions and so on as well. Like I'm available in there. Pretty nice, engaging community. And I think that's some of the most important stuff. Like have like-minded people that you can interact with. Let me see if my camera works now. Yeah, so the only one with the but yeah, the all-in bundle is also pretty good if you're only interested in the technical side of it. Where's my camera? There we go. We're back. The assignments are real world problems and they really grind your understanding in those assignments. Yeah, so I kind of like know that, yeah. So they like to go into technical questions and it's the technical guys. It's not just some random recruiter or non-technical guys that you have to explain it to, and they're going to ask you like hardcore, like very hardcore questions. But it's not like you're just like if you can't answer them and so on. I don't think they're just I don't think they're too hard on you. It's more just like figuring out how are you thinking. Like, are you thinking from first principles? How are you solving problems? Because again, they're solving problems now no one have ever done before. So of course you need to be thinking in a certain way. Direct interview as well, yeah. Yeah. Non-tech guys would be initial screening, but yeah, not the difficult frequently covering. Yeah, it makes more sense. Like if you're thinking about it, it just makes sense. Like that process makes sense, and it doesn't matter. Like how would you ever hire someone without like knowing their technical side from the guys who act like is going to give you the tasks, and then the directors and leads they already know you. Yeah, I guess it's the same as in all of Elon's companies, even the new one with XAI. But yeah, lead code questions and problems are outdated. Like, it's not really solving real world projects, it's just being good at coding and memorizing. It's not really problem solving. Or it is, but it's just as much memory. Bye. This guy's cheating, man. I'm telling you, he's cheating. Uh, I saw the beef on Twitter or X. I think Elon just trolled him at the end. I don't think he gives a shit. But I like Elon, man. He's doing great for humanity. He's disrupting every single of the large sectors and pushing boundaries like no one. But we have to get the AI courier with some discount coup. You can check. I think I'll probably get 20%. Like that's max because I'm going to increase the price in early next week anyway. You can try this. I think this should give like 20% off. That's max I can give. And I think this code already works. But yeah, that's max because I'm going to increase the price in next week. Well, let's do a live stream discount. I think it's program 20 or 20 program. I think it's program 20. That's 20%. I'm just getting wrecked for some reason. At least we're having good conversation. While I'm getting wrecked. Even though some of these guys look a bit sketchy. This guy's as well. Sketchy, sketchy. This Walter White is. Mm-hmm. Let's try. We got the Walter White back. Indian cheetah. I think this is UAE server. Oh no no no. Yeah, I've gotten a lot of requests for large, large vision models. A lot of the guys have asked me for that, so I might do that. I did a video where with embedding space, just explaining embedding space and vector embeddings and all of that, but mainly for text. Should probably cover some models, like just some basic models that converts text and images into the same embedding space. Because it's all about that. Like it's the same transformer architecture. All of that is just getting the different modalities into the same embedding space. Oh, bottom fragging now, man. Not good, not good. Please don't hide here. There we go. Lego. We're winning against the cheater, Wall White. Oh, he just walked back into my crosshair. Did I kill him? Oh, I got him. I got him, guys. Oh, I got the bump. Do you think automatic segmentation problem could be solved with embeddings? So do you think embedding space will not be as accurate linear? No, it won't be as accurate. Even text, if you have like 8, 10, 10 characters and you just flip one of them or like change one of them, they're going to be pretty far away from each other in the embedding space. Or let's say that you have 10 sentences and you have 10 characters and you just swap all of them out. Like it's very hard to do down on that level. And that's still like character based level and not pixel. So probably not yet, unless we get some other breakthroughs. I'll just play some aimbots here to end it off with. It's midnight now, but it's some cool questions, man. Thanks a lot. They might be able to if they're like if it's very easy to distinguish between like the segmentation mask. Let's say that you have a white background with one black object, then it might be pretty easy to do to just like do the embedding space and then segment it in embedding space. But once you start to run into more complex problems, they will have a problem. So yeah, you can do automatic segmentation, but it might be a simple task, so it's not really useful for anything. Yeah, thanks a lot for the DS, but as I said, I like mentorship and I really look into community to contribute to the CV space. Currently doing research funded by Big Girls Foundation. Oh, that's cool, man. Yeah, sounds like you're doing a lot and already like know a lot about different stuff. So, any specific things you're working on now, or but yeah, like definitely like more than happy to engage and also with the other guys. I know that there's a couple people in there now working on the vision language models. Also, new one just came out some days ago where you can actually like fine tune it now. So a language vision model on your own data without too many problems. So where are you doing the research? MRA, hi. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I haven't done too much in the medical field myself. I did my master's with human brain interfaces actually. Um, it was actually like invasive data, so invasive neural recordings, and then just training transformer models for doing action classification. But they were like a monkey had to touch 8 light sources depending on which one was lighting up, and 4 of them it had to move, and then it will be able to classify between those 8 classes depending on the neural recordings. But it was actually like pretty accurate and a cool project. I tried to apply to Neuralink. I tried to reach out to. I actually did right after I graduated. I actually did I applied for a job at Neuralink just because like okay I don't have any job. Let's just try and see. But I'm not sure how easy it is to get a job outside the US. I know that they're of course looking for talent everywhere. Yeah, that would be cool, man. I'll definitely take a look at it. Try to see what job positions they have now. I think they're always looking for new talent. Yeah, if you can throw it over, like yeah, my both my LinkedIn and all my social media information is in the descriptions of my videos. Probably also the live stream here. You can just grab it there, just connect with me on LinkedIn, and we can talk in there as well. But yeah, it's cool. I actually have a robotics background, so that was also like one of the reasons I did it. So I have a pretty good background in vision and AI, but also robotics background. I did a master's in robotics, but got introduced to robotic like to AI and computer vision in after 3 years, and then I haven't touched a robot since then. I just fell in love with AI and vision. It's not too bad. It's not too bad to LinkedIn broken video description. And this one or the new ones, I think if you just go inside the one of the newer videos, I should just have updated my video descriptions. I hope it's not broken. There's also if you go into my profile. Oh, I can probably just do it here in the. I'm live streaming. Hello. Let's see. Let's go to my channel. I have the links here as well. Should be able to grab it. Let me see. Yeah, so that works. I'll just check the latest video just to make sure. It's not the updated one here in the live stream. Linktree, website, GitHub, LinkedIn. That should be working. I just updated this some time ago, so it should be pretty much up to date. But yeah, man, I should definitely live stream this more. Maybe I should try a live stream on X as well. Elon says it's pretty good reach in there. I just got into live streaming. Thought about Twitch, X, and YouTube, but I can just stream to X and YouTube at the same time, I guess. Let me know if the audio is too high. Shouldn't be the case. I'm just spamming bullets. I'll just pull it up here on my phone. Yeah, he's streaming himself on Twitter or X, testing Starlink and X stream at the same time. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. I'm doing a lot of cool stuff. I have a lot of freedom to work on the projects that I want and working together with a bunch of customers on new vision use cases. I work on a ton of different projects, so I'm learning a lot of new stuff all the time, so it's cool. I know a lot of times you just get into a job and you just sit and do the same over and over again and don't really learn, but it's not the case, and it's the most important for me. But yeah, it's okay, it's pretty good. I'm happy at my position right now, but probably give up everything to work to work for Neuralink or Tesla. Just getting the stock options in Neuralink now, and then sell them in 10 years, and you'll set for life. Then I don't need anything on the sideline. Just take your salary, invest it in Tesla, and then get the stock option from Neuralink, and you're set for life. so, you're, so you're saying we should both do Neuralink? Yeah, that would be awesome. Should, We meet our first day at office. At least the CEO doesn't have anything against playing computer games and streaming. Hope to see you more often streaming. Yeah, man. Thanks for tuning in and throwing all the nice questions. It was cool. Have a great day. I think it's afternoon, right? Yeah, around afternoon. I think the stock market just closed. Yeah. Also, it should even be midday. But yeah, thanks for joining, man. Thanks for joining. Let's stay in touch. I might jump as well in a second. Let me just quit the stream here. This quit. It's past midnight now. Yeah, see you, man. I'll probably also just jump off here, guys. Thanks a lot for tuning in. All we had some pretty cool questions again today. Should definitely stream more. Always a lot of people joining in. At some point it was even hard to catch up. See you guys.